ATWICS group, and I am very honored and proud to this auspicious occasion today, the 78th anniversary of independence of Pakistan, and we are honored to celebrate with the Shifa International Hospital.
Thank you very much. I would like to thank ATWICS Group for organizing such a wonderful cake cutting ceremony on this prestigious day. And happy Independence Day to everyone.
You wanna go, we'll make things easy for you. ATWICS will always help you.